rain.
Okay, so there's one thing going on.
बारिश कैप्चर करने देना मुझे.
नहीं, मेरे बाद में बारिश
तुम बोलो पहले.
ठीक है. अच्छा, मैं क्या बोला था कि after we saw that horrified thing on the internet, now we think it's haunted. Our house is basically haunted, and everywhere we look, we see it. I don't know why. I have this. That's all. I have a Nerf gun. That's all. Yeah. And when she's so scared that on the bed she was really terrified. Oh.
You still make me afraid?
Okay, just watch.
Little bitch.
Oh, I'm not a little bitch. I'm a big bitch. I'm not little. I'm a big fat baby. हेलो भाई, मैं बारिश में ना जाऊँ. कैसा लग रहा है आपको? मैंने horrified obviously because she was a scary thing, and now she's making me terrified as well by watching it. So we are stuck outside because we think our house is haunted. Yeah, very fun. And I'm dancing in the rain with this Nerf blaster. Yeah, very fun of me, right? Yeah, she's scared. Like watch, boo.
तुम पागल हो, मुझे डरा
Yeah,
रही हो.
see, every time she gets scared, someone like do like this.
पागल हो.
She just touch her back and she. मैं बारिश में नाच रहा हूँ.
चलो जी.
Hello.